In this video, we will learn about FromForm attribute in ASP.NET Core web application. FromForm attribute is used to bind the data which is coming from HTTP request. Let's see how it works. Here, we are using the same application that we have created in this ASP.NET Core video series. In this application, we have countries controller. Inside this controller, we have simple action method. So we will use the same action method to understand FromForm attribute. Now, let's say we are sending some data from HTTP request. To read that data, we can simply use FromForm attribute. Okay. See here the base route. First we have to append API and then controller name. Here we are using put method. In this URL we need to pass ID. Now save and run this application. The application is running. Open a Postman. Here change the method put and copy this URL from here and paste it. Then append API and then countries. Then we need to pass the ID in the route. Let's say 27. Then go to body. Choose form data. We can pass the data by using this key and value here. Let's say name China, capital, then population, let's say that 3500. Then click the send button here. See here we got the ID. Here we got the data from FromForm. We are using from route attribute to get the data from the route, and then this FromForm attribute is used to force the application to bind the data only from the form data. I hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching this video.